Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make money using UBIQUS.io. This is another security website I found online when doing my research. So the first thing I have to know about UBIQUS Online is a transcription website platform that allows you to get a job on different service. So you have transcriptions. So this you have transcription service, automated service, transcription, salmon transcription, and foreign language translation and writing service that are related to like content writing stuff. So this is already to this translation is related to content writing stuff because it is content writing and also translation. So that's it. And we also have like translation again, service again. We have automated localization service, audiovisual service, and stuff like that. So maybe you fall into any of this category, you can actually go for one. But how do you get started? First thing you have to know is just like you have to know more about Ubicus and how they do and how they operate. So that's the first thing you have to know about them. If you're just diving into the first one writing. So you can see Ubicus on Demand was founded in 2010 in California, also in California as Fiverr Inc. So the company quickly established itself as one of the top transcribing companies in the US by delivering a consistently high level of service on each project. As a result, Viva Inc. is also in building long-term client relationship based on mutual respect and trust. So as you can see, this platform is a foreign platform from US, directly from US, as you can see. So it was founded in 2003, was acquired in December 2016 by UBIQUS, a premier global language service provider. So that's it. So what are UBIQUS just for? They are like they get clients through their websites and they also hire freelancer who are also interested in working with them, in partnering with them. So that's how it works. So let's go to work with us. So this is it. This is where you go directly on how to get started with UBIQUS. So the first thing I have to do is, as you can see, just have to click on the work with us, then she direct you to this page. Transcription is wanted. So if you are here to like, maybe you are interested, you can actually click here to apply. UBIQUS on Demand is always looking for highly skilled individuals to join our growing team. Our transcription come from various educational and work backgrounds, but they all possess certain skills and habits that make them great at their jobs. So just make sure you have a CV before trying to apply for this because you'll be asked for a CV. So how do I apply? If you're interested in applying to work for UBIQUS on Demand as an English language transcriptionist, please apply at people.ubiquus.com. So as you can see, so this is another part. So if you are applying to work for us as a proofreader, copywriter, or editor, please email us at ondemand.inquiries@ubi.com. So you have two ways to reach out to them, either through their website and through a Gmail. So that's how you can actually do it there. So if you want to work as a translator or foreign language translator, please send an email along with the language you're applying for. So that's it. So you can make sure that you can just put into like a lot of language that you know that you're actually good at transcribing or translating to. So that's how it is. So what skills are needed to be a good transcriptionist? So make sure you read everything down below. And then let's click here to see how it works. Click here to apply. So you just have to fill out the form below to create your UBIQUS account. So before entering anything like your details, you say please take note of the password provided. So this is it. You input your last name. I can input. So this is my address. Just make use of my address. So the zip code already there. So the state, just choose from country from your state. Not sure if they have it here. You also have to correct this country or state. Well, I'll just choose one just to see how it works. So as you can, just like I said you have to make sure you have a CV. So this is what you call a resume, like that talks about it. Just like just image, like a design that contains all your experience and skills. So that's what resume is all about. So and your cover letter, just like you're trying to apply for a job to get. So everything just like you must make sure that you have a background, the position of your background, maybe legal transcriptionist or proofreader. Just make sure you input it there and insert everything. So how did you hear about us? I'll just say through Google. So that's it. Other information, please, any addition, just make sure you input it here and send it to them. So that's on how to apply for projects or job on UBIQUS. So if you enjoy my video, come subscribe to my channel, like it, and share my video. Good day, everyone. Thanks for watching. And if there's any more details you need to drop, maybe there's any question, you can